Yeah, I'm a diamond under pressure. I'm a diamond under pressure. Yeah, I'm a diamond under pressure. I'm a diamond under pressure. Yeah, can't get no better than this. Can't get no better. Can't get no better at all. If it's without me, it can't get better at all. If it's going without me, it ain't gonna be good at all. Yeah, I make the last piece of the puzzle of something good on double. Yeah, don't come to cause any trouble. Yeah, just come just to say something a little bit by myself. Nah, maybe a little bit more than what I said before. Yeah, I stopped by. Yeah, I stopped by again, like I did last time. Man, you know how it go. You know what I do. I get it going, man, 'cause it's in me. I have it, the ability, and I know I love it, and I hope you love it. I come to help you to enjoy this, yeah, in round of applause. Yeah, yeah. If you down with it, then I'm down with it, and we all down with it, yeah. I'm a diamond under pressure. I'm a diamond under pressure, yeah. I'm a diamond under pressure. I'm a diamond under pressure, yeah. There's never enough to be said. There's always something to do. Ain't tryna be better than nobody. That ain't the way I do. I try to be more creative, bring something better and different to the table. And I believe I am able. I am able. I know I'm able. And I'm able. And yeah, just popped up out of nowhere. Yeah, just to share a couple of ways of mine. Just to share the talent that I hold all the time. Put it in the air and throw it in the air and speak it in the air. The talent I come to share, yeah.